Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to calibrate motion controls on this console. First we need to open the system settings on our console, and you can do it by finding the system icon right here on the home screen and then tapping on it to open the system settings. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen and look for the option called Controllers and Accessories. Tap on this option and here look for the option called Calibrate Motion Controls. Then tap on it and we have two options. We have Calibrate Console and Calibrate Controllers. First, let's calibrate the console. So select the option. It will tell us to disconnect our Joy-Con controllers. So grab your Switch, and on the controller, each controller you have this button on the side. And when you press it, it will basically let you pop out the controller. So pop out the controllers. Come on. Place your Switch on the flat surface, some on the desk or something. And then it will tell you once the calibration is complete. And to calibrate the controllers, you can select the other option, the controller option, and then we need to pop our controllers back on. And what we need to do is to hold the minus or the plus button on the controllers we want to calibrate, and then we need to detach them, so never mind, we don't need to attach them again. So we detach the controller, then press the minus or plus button depending on the controller you want to calibrate, press and hold it, and then we need to place it on the flat surface, and it will say calibration complete once it's done. Same for the other one, so we can do this for the second one. So let's unplug it, press and hold the plus button like that, place it on the flat surface and wait, and it will say calibration complete. And once you're done, you can plug the controllers back on like that, and then you can press the home button to go back to home screen. And that's how you calibrate motion controls on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.